Let me show you all screen lock methods that we have available on a Google Pixel 11. So in order to find them, of course, we need to go to Settings, and here in Settings, go to Security and Privacy. There we go. In here, we can find the device unlock option, and first let's just go to the screen lock. So in here, we can find all of these different basic screen lock password types, like the pattern, we have PIN code, and of course the password. Besides that, we have the swipe, which allows us to have the lock screen without the passwords, which doesn't really provide any protection or any some sort of security. It just allows you to swipe on this screen to unlock the access to the phone. But besides that, what you can also do is you can set up biometrics like the fingerprint or face recognition. In order to use them, you need to actually have a screen lock password anyway, so you cannot really use fingerprint without the screen lock password. And also we have the watch option. So with our Pixel Watch, we should be able to unlock our Google Pixel 11. Leave a like and subscribe.